All right, so if you've checked out any of my other videos, you know that I always encourage you to go ahead and screenshot this page or even pause the video so that you can jot it down quickly. It's so important to start adding these high protein breakfasts into your weekly meal plan. So go ahead and jot this one down and let's get started.
All right, so now that you've made the commitment to yourself to start incorporating these high protein breakfasts into your daily meal plan, I am so excited to share this one with you guys. Like I said, it's going to feature the hemp seeds in this keto coconut clusters granola that I found. This is absolutely delicious. It adds a little bit of variety, and you may not know how else to get hemp seeds into your weekly meal plan unless you're just eating them straight up, which is fine as well. I just like to incorporate it into a nice breakfast that is going to help stabilize my blood sugar levels and keep me full and satisfied. So let's go ahead and get started with this one. We're going to start off with the base of the Greek yogurt, plain unsweetened, and that is going to get us 15 grams of protein right out the gate for 3/4 of a cup. So go ahead and pile that on in there. Like I said, that's the Greek yogurt, plain unsweetened, getting you the 15 grams of protein. Next, we're going to add in the delicious creamy almond butter. This is one of my absolute favorites. Whenever you want to sweeten something just a little bit, but you also want to stay on track with your protein goals, go ahead and reach for this. This is going to get us 6 grams of protein for the 2 tablespoons. So let's go ahead and mix 2 tablespoons of the almond butter in right with our Greek yogurt. And it'll slide off of there really good. It has kind of an oil base. It's so delicious. If you haven't switched over or tried almond butter yet instead of peanut butter, it's such an easy transition, in my opinion. I actually prefer it now as opposed to regular peanut butter. So do 2 tablespoons of that. Put that right in there. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix that up. Once you have that all mixed up, you can kind of see it has a nice texture to it. Adding that almond butter in there. One of the hardest parts, in my opinion, of trying to stay on track with meal planning and meal prep is knowing what to eat. And I want to eliminate that for you guys. I don't want you to have to worry about it. So we're going to make up all of these high protein meals. And I just want you to focus on meal planning and meal prepping with these high protein meals in mind. And you are going to see incredible weight loss results. Again, we have to be intentional to get the flax seed and the chia seed ground into our bodies. Now we can put this into smoothies. I have tons of weight loss smoothie recipes for you to try out. I tend to be more drawn to those during the spring and summer months. And then sometimes I just add the flax and chia seed into recipes like this or recipes like salads or what have you. But again, just being intentional to get it into your meal planning. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of that. Really what this is doing is just the intention. You want to be intentional about what you're putting into your body. You're not going to lose weight just by thinking about it. We have to intentionally take action and do it. So I added the 2 tablespoons of that, and I'm going to go ahead and mix that in. There you can see we have the chia and flax, the ground chia seed and flax seed mixed in there. And now we're going to add in our cinnamon. Cinnamon is a great component. It boosts your metabolism. It helps stabilize your blood sugar levels. There's different research that says that it actually attacks different fat cells within your body to help you lose weight faster. So again, do your own research. This is just what I have researched and found. So I love adding cinnamon into my recipes whenever I can. It is optional. I know cinnamon isn't for everyone. So go ahead and sprinkle in as much cinnamon as you would like, or about half a teaspoon. Give that a mix. And now it's time for the star ingredient. I absolutely love this. It is so delicious. It's a keto coconut clusters featuring the pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and hemp seeds. I add pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds to salads, but this is such a great one when I want to be focused on getting the hemp seeds in. The fact that it has it mixed in right with these clusters, I can be intentional, and I know that I am giving my gut microbiome a treat by adding in the hemp seeds, because that's not something I always think to do. So the fact that it actually comes in this granola already, and then I'm going to add it to my recipe, and it's going to contribute towards my 25 grams of protein in this meal to help stave off hunger for the next 7 hours. So go ahead and pick this up. I picked it up at Aldi, but I'm sure you can go online and you can find one similar. But that is going to get us 3 more grams for a half a cup. So what I do is I buy the package like this, and then I actually crush it up. I crush up the whole bag because otherwise it comes in kind of bigger chunks. And then I just add in a half a cup. You see, like that, right in there. And look at that. Go ahead and mix that in there. It's going to be absolutely delicious. All the flavors are going to blend together so well. Like I said, this is going to keep your hunger at bay for the next 6 to 7 hours. We are always looking for different things that are going to help us on our weight loss journey. I refuse to be hungry while I'm trying to lose weight, and I want to, especially at my age as a woman, be being very intentional to get the right ingredients and the right amount of protein in each day. So I so hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you'll add it into your weekly meal plan, and I hope that you check out all of my recipes at HealthyDaze. Remember, I do not overcomplicate weight loss, but I am very intentional with my meal planning, with my meal prep, and with consistency. I'm going to go enjoy this one now, and you guys let me know what you think of it after you make it in the comment section down below. See you next time.
As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I so hope this motivates and inspires you to start adding these high protein breakfasts into your weekly meal plan. Just take it one day at a time, one meal at a time. Subscribe to my channel. I have tons of recipes that are going to help you along your weight loss journey. If you know anybody else looking for healthy weight loss, go ahead and share my channel with them, and I'll see you next time.